Right, so, jy wil die laaste bietjie waarde tot jou pekanneute toevoeg, né? Jy laaste uitdruk, maar jy weet nie hoe nie. Jy kort 'n Bergen fabriek of 'n semi-fabriek. Daai ene kan jy vat van klein tot groot. Nou, presies wat jou kapasiteit en benodigdhede is. Ek praat nie met Andrei met 'n S op die einde nie, is klaar reg. So in Mexico, Andrei daar's met 'n S aan die agterkant. Andres, en dit is vir Kolie hierso. Hulle gaan my gou meer vertel oor presies hoe jy nou opset lyk, hoe hy werk. Ons luister. Kolie, hoe lyk dit?
Andrei, goed om jou.
Nee, wat aan die gang?
Daar sy.
Jy sê nou bring jy die Mexikaan hier na toe.
Die regte man, die regte man.
Verduidelik my net gou vinnig. Julle is nou al 'n paar jaar besig met die Bergen goeders, net so vinnig, wat is hierdie masjiene?
Andrei, hierdie is ons pekanneut skoonmaaklyn. Dis ons standaard lyn wat ons hier het. Hy kan groter gaan, hy kan kleiner gaan en ons kan hom uitbrei tot 'n hele fabriek van skoonmaak tot en met sizing en verskillende kwaliteit produkte uithaal uit hom uit.
Uitstekend. Okay, nou verduidelik my gou hier. So Andres, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
No, I'm good, thanks. It just, it looks like Europe here now, but doesn't usually look like this.
Yeah, it's cold today, so
Yeah, if you're lucky you see some snow.
probably.
Okay, just tell me a little bit about Bergen, your history, where do you guys come from?
So Bergen is a company founded by my grandpa, David Bergen, in Mexico, Chihuahua, Mexico.
Oh, so I'm guessing you're Bergen as well.
I'm Bergen as well. Yeah, so we're in the northern part of Mexico, Chihuahua, which is one of the biggest pecan producing areas in Mexico.
And then basically he started building these machines way back when?
Late 1970s.
Gee, so you're basically, I want to say, you're older than the pecan industry in South Africa.
Yes, about 45 years back my grandpa started, and with small machines, and we've been growing. We built the largest pecan cleaning plant in the world in Mexico, and we have small machines, we do it all.
So what's the main philosophy when it comes to building these machines?
The main philosophy is two things. We need to build a very good machine that is reliable, that doesn't need a lot of repairs, and the next thing is going to be keep it simple. We like to do simple stuff so anybody can use it and you don't have to be trained a lot. It's very simple and easy to use.
Straightforward.
Straightforward.
So, okay, explain to me quickly the setup that you've got here behind you. How does this work and what's the main objective here?
So this is a standard line where we dump the crates here, the pecans go up, we have a de-sticker, a rolling sieve, we separate the stick tights with a sizer, and then we have an aspirator that takes out trash and pops. All the trash goes to the trailer. We have a main trash belt. And the way we designed this particular machine is to be a standard machine that we can add on different things, de-stoners, aspirators, sizers. You can build a complete factory starting with this setup. So it's really nice for farmers that have young trees coming into production. They can start with this machine and then they build it bigger with more stuff as production comes up.
So what you're telling me is I can literally just start with, what do you call this piece?
This is a standard machine with an elevator, de-sticker, and cleaning reel, the rolling sieve. So that's the main stuff to clean, to deliver a clean nut to the processor.
Okay, but what you're saying is I can start off with basically one piece of this.
Yes.
Okay, what would that piece be?
It would be the feeding elevator with the de-sticker and the rolling sieve.
Right, so that's my first component, and then just from that I at least get semi-clean nuts.
Yes.
That's a sentence I never thought I would say, but okay. In any case, okay, but then if I want to build on capacity, I can then add on as I would want.
Yes, you can add aspirator, inspection table, another popper for the wafers. We can add a sizer, a dehuller, a destoner.
We can drop the bin so that the bin is tippable.
Yeah, so this is an entry-level receiving hopper. The best thing is to build the pit that would go right here in the ground, so you can drive over with a tractor and a trailer and dump directly.
Yeah, so then it just becomes the same as you do with grain.
Yes.
You just have a sluice, just drop it. And what I'm seeing here is that they don't pick by hand here. I'm guessing they've got mechanized.
So they have one harvester, and this machine can handle about 3 harvesters at this stage.
That it can actually do.
Yes. It can do more. There's always it can expand to a larger capacity with a few small changes, but with this one you can do about 3 harvesters.
Okay, and then let's go inside quickly. Just so this is the biggest setup of the one that we filmed the other day. Am I correct?
This is a stationary setup basically.
And so that one is just mobile and this is stationary basically. And then they basically sort everything here.
Yes. So at this stage it's the last cleaning of the product. It's stick ties that went through, it is broken nuts that gets taken out, and rocks and stuff that you don't want in your clean product. You take it out here.
And this is then where the gold comes out.
That's it. That's it.
At the end of the day, as I gather, you guys specialize in pecan cleaning equipment.
Yes, we specialize 100% in pecan cleaning equipment.
So whatever my needs might be, at the end of the day you can put up from start to finish the whole factory in as much depth or as little as I need.
Yes.
Yes, and one important thing to mention is the 3 biggest pecan growing areas in the world are Mexico, United States, and South Africa. Every country has its own way of processing pecans. And we know the 3 ways, and depending what you want to do, we design a complete line around your needs.
Okay, so as jy 'n dik pekan en skoonmaakmasjien soek, nee, sit daai laaste bietjie waarde by. Linkie bo of hier onder. Kom jy met Bergen Suid-Afrika in kontak. Tot volgende keer. Met